Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. I hope you enjoy these foot stretches that I like to do daily to keep my feet flexible. Let's begin on our elbows doing 8 circles clockwise with our right foot. Let's reverse the circles, keep them pretty quick to get the blood flow going. And let's do circles with the left ankle. And switch directions. Let's go back to the right foot. And reverse the circles again. Let's do circles with the left ankle. And let's reverse. Beautiful. Next, I like to press myself up into a seated position with my feet a little bit in front of me. I've rolled up my pants so that you can see my ankles. I'm going to press my heels up as I push forward so I can really stretch out the tops of my ankles and my toes here. I don't like to hold stretches for too long really, so I'll do these rocks back and forth into this demi-point position and then rock back onto my heels and lift my toes so I can relieve the underneath part of my toes as well as the ankles. I like to repeat this stretch 8 to 10 times. Next, we're just going to find a comfortable seated position and roll out our ankles a couple of times to make sure that our ankles are still staying nice and warm. Next, I'm going to take my right foot, bend my knee, and tuck my foot underneath my seat or beside and go into my elbow, depending on how sore my quads are. And if I want a deeper stretch, I'll do a kneeling position and put my left foot flat on the floor so that I can roll back and forth over top of my toes, making sure that I'm not putting all my weight on my toe joints. I like to repeat this about 8 times, nice and slow, pushing a little bit more where I feel the stretch, whether that's on the ankle or pushing the toes very gently. Again, you never want to place all of your weight on your toe joints, so that's why I have the left foot flat on the floor and my hands behind me to support. From there, let's extend the right foot, and now you can feel nice and stretched in the ankle and in the toes. And I'll just use my hand to flex through my foot, relax the ankle a little bit, and push through the toes just to stretch out the ankle even more. Let's repeat that same stretch on the left side. So option 1, you're just pulling the toes closer towards your seat without putting any actual pressure or weight on them. Or option 2, place the right foot flat. Left toes are underneath. If this is enough of a stretch, you can stay here or you can rock forward and back like before 8 times. Once again, I'll extend my left foot and just use my hands to help stretch out my foot a little bit more, push the ankle down and flex through the foot to relax the ankle, but also continue warming it up and stretching. From here, I'm going to flex my toes back and down 16 times. After doing 16 toe waves, I like to call them, I'll again just stretch out my ankles with my hands, maybe flex my feet and bring the soles of my feet together, knees wide in a butterfly, just to relax the hips and relax the feet before I extend my legs in front of me again. This time we're going to put our hands as far underneath the soles of the feet as possible and pull the toes back and the ankles. Try to really relax the ankles here so you're getting a nice stretch behind your ankle and so you can relieve the top of the ankle here. Now we're going to work through full range of motion, point through the feet, sit up nice and straight and tall, and we're going to flex the feet all the way back, point the feet all the way down 16 times. Let's go flex and point for 16. 15 more, really articulating through the arch, through the demi point and the flex. Beautiful. After that, we're just going to roll out the ankles a little bit to continue keeping them nice and warm and ready for class. Or if you're stretching after class, I just like to keep them nice and mobile still. In this little crouching position, I have really tight Achilles, so it's really important for me to counter stretch my ankles, but to also stretch the backs of my ankles. So I'm going to step forward with my left foot, keeping my right foot behind me, and I'm just going to rock forward and back, tapping the right knee down, and then trying to tap the right heel down. I like to use a ballet bar for this usually, but I didn't have one here or on hand. So I'm just keeping my hands close to the floor. And that's why it's really important to make sure that you keep one foot in front. Of course, I'll do the same rocks forward and back on the second side, just doing however many feels good. Next, I'm going to place both heels underneath my seat, keeping my toes tucked, and I'm just going to sit here for a little bit. I like this stretch, especially to stretch out my arches and my toe joints here. After I feel like I've been here long enough, I'll untuck the toes and sit back. If I am feeling up for it, I will sit back and rock very gently. Once again, you never want to put all of your weight on your toes, so I'll just rock forward and back, kind of similar to one of the first stretches we did. Once again, I like to use this with a ballet bar, but I did not have one on hand. Once I've done enough of those, or I feel like I have, I'll tuck my toes under, lift my hips up into a downward facing dog, just to stretch out the ankles, pedal out the feet before we go into our last stretch. So when you're ready, let's meet in a seated position. This last stretch, I really, really like, not only for my feet and ankles, but also for the placement of the foot in a développé devant and à la seconde. So I'm going to thread my hand underneath my heel while wrapping my hand over top of my toes. I'll try to extend here so that I get a nice foot shape when I extend my leg at the top. Then I'll do the same thing with the left. So left hand underneath my left heel over top of my toes. And then when I'm ready, I will extend and stretch out my knee. And voila, these are some stretches that I like to do either before or after class to maintain foot mobility and flexibility, and also work on my arches a little bit without any equipment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.